Have you ever wondered how Python does calculations, comparisons, and decisions? The answer is operators. Welcome to day 4 of Python from scratch. Today's video will completely clear this concept for you, even if you're an absolute beginner. Before we start, let's see a recap of what we have learned till now. Today, we'll combine all of them using operators. Chalo, let's start the video. What is an operator? Let's first create a file and name it as operator.py. An operator is a symbol that tells Python to perform an action. Let's see an example. Let's run this. Here, the number 2 and 7 are the operands and the sign plus is the operator and 9 is the output. Now, there are 4 types of operators. The first one is arithmetic operator. Let's first take two numbers, A as 20 and B as 10. Let's print. This is the first operator, addition operator. It basically adds both the numbers. The next one is subtraction operator. This, it subtracts the second number from the first. And the most important part is the order matters. The next operator is multiplication operator. Let's run this. It basically multiplies both the operands. The next is division operator. Let's take new examples for that. A is equal to 5 and B is 2. Let's divide them. It is a division operator and always gives the decimal output as 2.5. The next operator is floor division operator. Its symbol is basically 2 slash. It also does the division, but it removes the decimal output. See, only 2. The next operator is modulus operator. Modulus operator, it gives the remainder of the operation, 1. It is mostly used to check even or parity. The next operator is power operator. Let's run this. 25. Basically, this line means that A raised to the power of B. So the next type of operator is comparison operator. These operators compares two values and return the true or false value. Let's take two numbers. A is 10 and B is 5. And the first operator is equal to operator. This operator checks whether A is equal to B or not. Since they are not equal, the output is false. Now understand the difference in the single is equal to and the double equal to sign. The single equal to sign is used for assigning a value, whereas the double equal to sign is used to compare two values. The next operator is not equal to operator. This operator checks whether the operands are not equal or not. The answer is true because they are not equal. The next operator is greater than or less than. This checks whether the first operand is greater than or less than the second operator. See, this is true and this is false. The next operator is greater than or equal to operator. Let's run this. This checks whether A is greater than 10 or equal to 10. Since it is equal to 10, the output is true. The next operator is less than or equal to. Let's run this. So it checks whether B is less than 5 or equal to 5. Since it is equal, the output is true. So the next operator is assignment operator. Let's take an example. X is equal to 10. Now, if I want to add 5 to it, I'll write x is equal to x plus 5. Let's print it. Print x. The output is 15. Now, if I want to make this code shorter, there's a solution. Let's write x plus equal to 5. Let's run this. The output is also 15, but the code is a bit shorter than the old one. This operator is known as assignment operator. Assignment operator makes the code shorter and cleaner. This line does the same job of the previous line. Similarly, we have x minus equal to 2, x multiply by equal to 2, x divide by equal to 2. These all are known as assignment operators. The next operator is logical operators. Logical operators combine multiple conditions and give a true or false value. Let's take an example. Age is equal to 20 and print. This operator is known as AND operator. The AND operator will return true if both the condition is true. The truth table of AND is here. Let's run this. Since both the condition is true, the output is true. Now the next operator is OR operator. Let's make changes in it. OR 60. Now the OR operator will return true if any one of the condition is true. The truth table of OR is here. Let's run this. Since one condition is false, the output is false. The next operator is NOT operator. This operator reverses the result. Let's see. Print not 18. Now we know the age is greater than 18. But since we are using not, the output will be false. See, the output is false. Now, you have completed day 4. In the next video, we'll learn about conditional statement. I hope you liked the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for day 5. See you in the next video.